In yesterday's video, I gave you a long setup and a short setup for PENGU. Basically, we short here or we long here. We almost got into the longs, but we got into a lot of other longs, so it's okay. And then we had a crazy run up. Now we're ready to take shorts. We started shorting right now because we just wicked into a bunch of liquidations right here. And as soon as we see even more longs closing, just like we did right here, that's a perfect time to enter short. I've actually add into my shorts right now from my phone, and the minimum price I'll be interested in add is the VWAP right here. So that's basically it. I won't waste a second of your time. 262 grand up on VOOX, 28 grand on a new wallet. If you want to learn how I trade, use the link in the description down below to check out my course. I made it super cheap, and also my Signals chat. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. See you later.